This is a high protein salad I make when I want a healthy meal that actually keeps me full. This is one of those meals that looks simple but is very well balanced. It has protein, healthy fats, fiber, and a lot of flavors. Onions contain antioxidants and compounds that support digestion and gut health. One of the most important things when we're cooking is have a very sharp knife. This helps us to cut nicer and even. Red onions add flavor and crunch, but it can be strong. So I soak it in cold water with a splash of vinegar. This helps reduce the sharp taste, make it easier to digest and keep it crispy. And this is me playing peekaboo with my daughter Emily. She's my camera girl. Next, I chop romaine lettuce and wash it very well with cold water. Leafy greens like romaine are rich in fiber, which helps digestion and keeps your gut healthy. They also add volume to your meal without adding heavy calories, so you can eat a generous portion and still feel light. This is one of the reasons why salads like this are so satisfying. Tomatoes. For tomatoes, today I'm using regular salad tomatoes. I didn't have cherry tomatoes, and that is completely fine. One of the main ideas behind my videos is not just teaching how to eat healthy, but also how to cook with what you already have at home, without constantly running into the grocery store. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants like lycopene, which support heart health and overall wellness. I had this chicken breast baked on the oven, and what I do is I put a little bit of olive oil, white wine vinegar or red wine vinegar, oregano, garlic powder, put it over the chicken breast, put it in the oven around 40 to 45 minutes, and you have ready for a whole week. Chicken ready. Healthy cooking doesn't require perfect ingredients, it requires intention. For that, now let's talk about protein. Chicken breast is one of the best sources of lean protein. It helps build and maintain muscles, keep you full longer, and support stable energy levels. Cook the chicken ahead makes healthy meals so much easier during the week. You can find the full recipe in the caption. Well, eggs.
That's the last thing I was expecting you to say. Why'd you say it like that?
Boil eggs.
Bacon. Always have bacon ready. You can put it in the fridge too. Put it in the oven for like 15 to 20 minutes and it's ready.
In Spanish.
Little piece for me and a little piece for my helper. I think you guys can tell that we love bacon in this house. I bake bacon in the oven until crispy, then chop it. Bacon is an animal fat, and animal fats have been part of the traditional diets for generations. The key is quality and balance. When you combine it with vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats, it becomes part of balanced meals. This is not about eating large amounts, it's about using food intentionally. To increase protein even more, I cook eggs. Eggs are complete protein, which means they contain all essential amino acids. They also provide vitamins like B12 and choline, which support brain health. I boil them for about 8 minutes, then immediately place them in an ice bath. This prevents the yolk from turning gray or green. I serve eggs on the side because not everybody likes eggs in salads. Now I cut 2 ripe avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats that support heart health and help your body absorb nutrients from vegetables. They also help with satiety, meaning you feel full and satisfied longer. But only add avocado if you plan to eat the salad right away to keep it fresh. I highly encourage you to make your own vinaigrettes at home. This simple vinaigrette is fresh, light, and much healthier than store-bought dressings. For this, I use a whole lemon juice, garlic. I mix in a blender, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, cilantro, salt and pepper, and a little bit of vinegar. You can use whatever you have at home, white vinegar, red vinegar, or apple cider vinegar. And please, if you enjoy healthy, high-protein meals made with real ingredients, please subscribe to my channel, follow me, and share. One quick tip before we start assembling the salad. I like to place the glass bowl in the fridge before making the salad. A cold bowl helps keep the salad fresh, crispy, and cold for a longer time. I start with the romaine lettuce as the base. Then I add the chopped chicken, the tomatoes, and the red onion. Don't forget to drain the red onion before you put it here. Next, I gently add the avocado because I don't want to get mashed. I sprinkle the chopped bacon on top, just enough to add flavor and texture. Now I add most of the vinaigrette and gently toss everything together. I always save a little bit of the dressing to add later if needed. This is where everything comes together. The protein keeps you full, the vegetables support digestion, and the fats helps your body absorb nutrients. That's why salads like this actually works as a meal. This is simple cooking but done with intention. I like to serve the eggs on the side because not everyone likes eggs in salads. Finish with fresh black pepper and chopped cilantro. And it's ready for a fast dinner or a fast lunch. I added some boiled eggs because here at home we love to have high protein meals. It's perfect, delicious, simple, and salud. It's creamy because the avocado, you feel the vinaigrette flavor, high protein, the crunchy from the bacon is absolutely delicious. You can make wraps, serve with a little bit of quinoa, and you have a perfect dinner. If you like this recipe as much as I do, please leave the comment, subscribe, and if you have any ideas or want some recipe for me to cook for you, please let me know. And remember, cooking at home with family is an act of love and healthy. See you in the next video. Thank you.
Oh my goodness.